Hi guys, welcome to Ritz Kids YouTuber Workshop. Today, Miss Cyan, the tutor of today's lesson, is going to teach 3 of the kids how to make videos and how to edit the videos, while Anson is also filming about how to edit videos for our introduction of APLUZA Academy. So let's see how it goes.
Today I learned how to be a YouTuber and I got my own YouTube channel now. Its name is Kira Lee 0919 because my birthday is on September 19.
Hello, my name is Kai Whitney, and I decided to be a YouTuber because I thought it would be fun and a good way to make money, and also, why not, right? I like to play Roblox, and that's what my videos are, and that's what a few of my videos are about. And anyway, that's all about me. Anyway, bye.